welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing the Toy State MRF Metro Rescue Team Fire Engine NO.7585. So I got this in a flea market. Let's just give a tour on it. Shit. It doesn't do much. Only has three buttons. This is a old Toy State vehicle. Only has 3 buttons, which are like copies of the same sound a little bit. And also I had to replace the wheels because it fell off and it was kind of broken. This thing can extend. It's supposed to have like a little hose right here, but you can see how badly damaged this thing is, so it doesn't have one. Even though it doesn't look badly damaged, this thing can lift up. You can stay like that, or you can just go back down. This thing can swivel all the way around, 360 back. I'll leave it like that. Yeah, some of these things are just like very loose. I haven't posted a video or a review thing in a long time, so sorry if I'm a bit bad. Oh, this thing has 2 lights, only 2, one here and one here. Incandescents, of course. There's still bit in the bottom though. This was definitely I think retooled because you can see it had spaces for a bump and go, which there is a version of this in a bump. What the fuck was that? There is a version of this guy, a bump and go version. Toy State doesn't have a date. That's the screw I put in because I don't know, the other one just didn't fit. It just kept on falling off. This is screwed open. Doesn't have a motor. I kind of wish it did. This is actually a compartment for those button cell batteries. You can see it had an on-off switch, but they just took it out. Yeah, actually, there's nothing much to say or really show. The speakers right here. So anyways, let's just get to it. Any of these buttons, I'm just gonna press any. This one. I don't know what backdraft meant before I searched it up. It means like a type of explosion. If you guys didn't know, it's like when a house is full of gas and it just, that's the backdraft. about it. Nothing really much to show or talk about this fire engine. Let's say fire truck. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you want. And before we end this video, we're just gonna play one more button.